Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician. Come back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Today we're going to go over how often should I really change my water filter. Well, I'll give you this. 99.5% of all the fridges out there, the light goes off every 6 months, whether you use 1 gallon or 1,000 gallons. It goes off every 6 months. So they recommend every 6 months, but in my house, the only thing I use in my water is ice. So, and every 6 months regularly, my light goes on. Change me. Why? I've used 10 gallons of water. Has not affected my filter. Now, people who use a lot of water, it's still going to go off every 6 months, but if you use, 100 gallons a month, that's going to be a whole lot of gallons. So realistically, you want to change your water filter when you start to taste a difference in your water. And you will taste a difference if you use this versus your tap water, because these actually do a very good job, and they do clear out your water to make it a lot better tasting. So in all actuality, every 6 months, what they say, but if you do develop a taste change, then you want to change your filter, because these things aren't cheap. And if I'm changing one of these every 6 months for no reason, I'm wasting money. But at the same token, if I do use my water for, everybody drinks water out of that, then at that point it's worth changing every 6 months. So do yourself a thing, and if it starts to taste different, change it. If it doesn't, let it go until it starts changing different. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and come back for more wonderful information. Have a good day.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.